Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for You, and in today's video I am sharing the quick camera interface review of the iPhone 6s Plus and the Oppo F1 Plus. The iPhone 6s Plus features the 5 megapixel front facing camera, and at the back you will find the 12 megapixel camera with dual tone flash. And when it comes to the Oppo F1 Plus, there is a 16 megapixel front facing camera which is way bigger than when compared to the iPhone 6s Plus, and at the back you will find the 13 megapixel camera with dual tone flash. Talking about the camera interface, the iPhone 6s Plus has a minimalistic camera interface. As you can find the flash HDR mode, and above the camera button you will find the time-lapse, slow motion video, photo, and there are number of filters which can be applied easily while clicking the images. And when you tap on the front facing camera you will find that it has the same features which are found in the rear camera, that is the time lapse, slow motion video, photo, sky, and number of filters can be easily applied. And there is a flash HDR mode, timer, and etc which are on the iPhone 6s Plus. And when it comes to the Oppo F1 Plus, when you tap on the camera button you will find the clean and minimalistic interface which has flash. You can turn on and off the HDR mode. You can easily adjust the which settings you want to use, and you can easily rotate the rear and front camera. And above the camera button you will find the few features like the iPhone 6s Plus, time lapse video, photo, beauty and panorama. When you look at it, there is no beauty feature available on the iPhone 6s Plus, and you can in this you have a better edge over the iPhone 6s Plus. And when you tap on the bubble side you will find that you can easily change the modes and the camera image quality pretty easily. There is a Ultra HD mode too. You can click the GIF images in GIF features. There is a expert mode which you haven't found in the iPhone 6s Plus, and there are various filters. And as you can see that number of filters are there, these are absent in the iPhone 6s Plus. And apart from this there is a double exposure and expert mode. On expert mode you can easily set the settings depending on your requirements, and you can easily control every feature according to your needs. And you can turn, when it comes to the front facing camera you will find that it has the same features available. And when you tap on there are few features which are not available on the rear camera on F1 Plus when compared to the rear camera. And when you tap on various filters mode you will find that the same filters mode available, and you can easily use them depending on your needs. And there is a GIF feature too, and double exposure is there so that you can easily get better images when compared to the iPhone 6s Plus. Just for your information, as you can see that these are some of the images taken with the Oppo F1 Plus, and you will find that images come out really good in the low light and the daylight. And you when compared with the iPhone 6s Plus you will find that the images clicked by Oppo F1 Plus has better clarity when compared to the 6s Plus. And there is some of the images which can be compared, and you can see the color reproduction on Oppo F1 Plus is way much better when compared to the uh, iPhone 6s Plus. And there are number of images which can be easily compared. We'll share a more detailed one in another video. This is all for today. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any upcoming video. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.